Hello everyone. Students, our GK chapter 2 is First Indian Women. Indian women have been pioneers in various fields. Here are some of the notable achievements by Indian women. So, first woman president of UN General Assembly was Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit was an Indian diplomat and politician who was elected as the first female president of the United Nations General Assembly. Second one is first Indian woman to win Booker Prize, Arundhati Roy. Arundhati Roy won the prestigious Booker Prize in 1996 for the first novel The God of Small Things. Third one is first woman ambassador. First woman ambassador was Miss C.B. Mathumma. She was the first woman to clear the Indian Civil Service examination. She was also the first woman to join the Indian Foreign Service. She was the first Indian woman diplomat as well also. Later on, she became the first Indian woman ambassador. Now, fourth one is your first woman air vice marshal. Padma Vati Bandyopadhyay was the first woman air marshal. She was the woman to be promoted to the rank of Air Marshal in the Indian Air Force. Now, fifth one is first woman judge in Supreme Court. So, the first woman judge is Fatima Bibi. And Fatima Bibi was appointed on 6th October 1989 as a judge in Supreme Court. Now, sixth one is first Indian Lieutenant General. So the first Lieutenant General was Punita Arora. Punita Arora was the first woman in the Indian Armed Force to be promoted to the 3-star rank. She held the rank of Lieutenant General in the Indian Army and Sergeant Vice Admiral in Indian Navy. Now, seventh is your first Indian woman mountaineer to scale the 7 peaks. And Premlata Agarwal is the first woman to scale the 7 summits, the 7 highest continental peaks of the world. She was awarded the Padma Shri by the government of India. And the last, eighth, is first woman governor of independent India. So Sarojini Naidu was the first woman governor of independent India. She governed the Indian state. She governed Uttar Pradesh from 15 August 1947 to 2 March 1949. So these are the strong women and the first woman of our India. Thank you.